Bobae Market Pier and the Seab Canal boat. No tourists, only locals, because there's no tourists in town. But the locals go out to Bobae Market, which is a wholesale market, because it has some of the best prices in all of Thailand. Now you got to be careful getting on and off this boat. Okay, now this little old lady, she really has to put some effort into getting up and getting down on the boat ride over here. Yep, I'm in Bangkok. I'm trapped in Thailand. So I'll be putting out many more videos yet to come. So please take a second and like and subscribe. You will get many hot tips. And if you need to contact me,